Hey guys, this is Mike, and this is part 10 of the Connect Me video game development. So, in this video, last time I changed all the files to load, or all the levels to load from a file, and in this one I'm going to be generating levels. So, over here, before I do anything, I just might as well put it in main here, since I don't have anything else to do. Generate levels. Generate levels. Okay, since I do already have my grid class here with everything in it that I need, mostly I just need check finish. Well, actually, I kind of need everything. Yeah, grid. I don't need to render it though, I just need all the utility stuff. Grid, move, selected, all that stuff. Anyway, hopefully nothing goes wrong. So generate levels. So how am I going to generate levels? Remember, the level file looks like this, 2, 3, 3, this. So the higher the level goes, the more difficult I want it to be. The maximum size I'm going to be making the levels is 4x4. I don't want to go any higher than that. 5x5 I think is ridiculous. That is way too difficult to figure out to get 4 stars, I think. And it would take too long to find the minimum number of moves. So I'm going to go 4x4 max. And maybe 5 or 6 moves max also. I might just go 5 moves max, because 6 moves might take too long again. So let's start here. I want to make a bunch of 3x3s that have minimum number of moves of 2. So let's try. Min moves is going to be 2. That's my target. And I need to make a random grid. Let me just check the grid constructor here. G, X, and Y. Okay. So random grid. I need to keep track of which grids I've already created as well. So I probably need to make my own list with an equals, or that contains. Yeah, I'll put it in here. Private class grid container, whatever. And this is just going to have a list of ints, arrays. That's going to be grids, whatever. Public grid container, array list, int, and public void add int g grids.add g. Public boolean contains g, or int g, and here I'm just going to go through. I is equal to 0, I is less than grids.size, I plus plus. I'm going to check. Do I have that? No, let's see. Boolean equals is equal to g, or equals g, and grids get gi. So private boolean equals, see if these two are equal. Right, I is equal to 0, I is less than, or Okay, first let's check if g1.length is not equal to g2.length, turn false. And if g1.0.length is not equal to g2.0.length, obviously they're not the same. Then I can check if we're in row 0, row is less than g1.length, row plus int for int call 0, call is less than g1.0.length. There we go. Let's see, if g1 row column does not equal to g2 row column, then return false. Otherwise, it's all good. Return true. If not equals, return false. Otherwise, it's all good. Return true. This is all green. Never used locally, but I will. Let's see, grid container. I'll just call it GC. Grid container. Okay. What's wrong now? Really? It's public, but I'm in the... Okay. Public? Still doesn't work. Okay, never mind. Main.grid container then. Oh my god, dude, what's wrong? No enclosing instance of type main is accessible. Must qualify. EGX. Oh my lord. New main? What did it say? What? Oh my god, new main dot new grid. What is this? What is this? This looks ridiculous. Okay, never mind. Whatever. I'm not gonna delve into what exactly this is. But okay. Min number of moves is 2. So what I want to do is generate a number amount of puzzles. So let's do int num puzzles. Let's make it let's say 20 of them. Generate 20 or generate num puzzles with min number of moves each. So what I have to do is I guess create random G, create random puzzle, private static int, create random puzzle, and int G is equal to new. Oh wait, I should specify int. I'll put it over here. Num rows is 3, num columns is 3, and num rows, num columns, int num rows, num columns, new int num rows, num columns. Oh my god. There we go. I'm going to be returning that later. Okay, so create random puzzle. I need to set a minimum number of moves, or number of each color as well. There has to be at least 2 of each. I don't want 1 of each, so it has to be balanced out. Like, I don't want 1 blue tile in the thing. That's ridiculous. So, I should keep a count. Int R count, I don't know. Int G count, int B count. These are all 0. And if r count is equal to 0, I'll do int next value is going to be -1, whatever. Actually, I should do while here, right? While, I can do for int I equals 0, I is less than num rows times num columns, I plus plus. I want to fill it up randomly though. Okay, int or boolean array. Oh my god, I want to fill it up not randomly though. How do I fill this thing up randomly? And not have it take a long time. I mean, I don't want it to like randomly pick one. Oh, that's filled. I'll randomly pick another one. I want a list of number of rows and columns that have not been picked yet. So, can I use point? Is that a thing? Point java point array, or let's make it a list of points. And for int I equal rows less than rows. Columns plus plus. I'll do points is equal to new, or points dot add new point of row column. Okay, so that has a list of points of everything here, so it's going to be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, etc. And I'm going to pick a random one from the list. So while, what did I just erase? I'll do that later. While points dot size is, oh my god, dude. Size is greater than 0, which means there's still empty slots. I'm going to pick a random one. Int rand is equal to int math.random times points.size. Pick a random one from the list. Int row is going to be points.get rand.x. Right? The first argument here is x and y. Let's get rand.y. And I'm going to need a value. Int value is equal to, let's make a -1 for now, and if r count is equal to, or is less than 2, value is going to be 0. Else if g count is less than 2, I want to use up a green. Else if b count, oh man, this is getting ridiculous. Value is 2. Else I have the minimum count for each red, green, and blue, so I'll just pick a random one. Value is equal to just math.random. I can't type times 2 or times 3. I mean, that's 0, 1, and 2. So I'll just do g. What is this? G row column is equal to value. Return g. Okay. So first off, g, and then I have to check if it's already in the grid container. If gc.contains g, then, I should while this. For int I is equal to 0, for int num puzzle, let's just use I. It's equal to 0, I is less than num puzzles, I plus plus. So if it already contains g, G, I'm just gonna I minus minus and then continue. Otherwise, this is a new puzzle, and I have to check the minimum number of moves. Int min moves is equal to, well, I have to create a grid. G is equal to new grid. I'll pass in G. X and Y don't matter. Oh my god, dude, what is this? Constructor grid undefined. Constructor G's. Oh, oops. Okay. Okay, grid and moves. I hope grid has get minimum number of moves fast. I don't want this to go slow. The difference between this and fast and regular is that fast doesn't check for duplicates with the swapping. What's going on here? Duplicate local variable to min moves 2. So here I'm just going to check if min moves does not equal min moves 2. I want only puzzles that have minimum number of moves of 2. And again, I must continue. Otherwise, this is a good puzzle. Right? Save, and then G and min moves. Private static void save int G. Oh, I need to give the file name as well. It's just gonna be the number, right? So I'm just gonna make it I 0 to number of or I plus 1. Since I don't want to start at level 0, I want to start at level 1. So int level int G int min moves, and I want to save all of this. Don't remember how to save files in Java. It's one of those things that I never ever remember. Let's see if I can figure this out. File it's equal to new file. I guess I put what it's called here. What's wrong with import? Control Shift O. Oh my god, dude. Oh, I have the wrong file. That's not what I want. Java.util file or IO file. Multiple packages. File level plus that. Hopefully that worked. File dot. Can I get a buffer writer for this? Nope. Okay, anyway, file buffered writer. Let's see, buffered writer. W is equal to new buffered writer. I need some file writer. W is equal to new file writer. I can put the file in here. Nice. Cool. Okay, I'll probably try catch this thing. Yep. I'll put a try catch on the whole thing. Nothing. Okay, file writer, fw dot append dot write. I guess I'll just write. I want to write line. Okay, let's use a string builder. String builder. SB is equal to string builder. First thing I want to do is the minimum number of moves. SB dot append min moves. New line, and then the file looked like this. Then I need number of columns, number of row, number of columns. SB dot append G dot length. Oh my god. Length. SB dot append G0 dot length. and now I need to write the whole thing. Rows. Oh my god. Where's the for loop? I know I have it somewhere here. I don't have num rows and num columns though. Oh my god, dude. G.length. G0.length. I don't need this. I need to write sb.append go. I need to make them RGB. That sucks. That sucks. Can I just use 0, 1, and 2? Can I change my reading files to 0, 1, and 2? Res. How do I load files in here? Value here, RGB. I don't need this. I don't need any of this. Value s is just going to be integer.parseInt s. Right? Let's double check. This is 0. This is 1. This is 0. This is 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 0. And if I try to run this, it should be okay. Yeah, okay. So here I don't need to, I can just sb.append g row column. Cool. Yeah. So that's pretty much it, right? Wait, no, I need to put column or commas in here. And then at the end I need to put a new line. Hopefully that's right. This new line, this new line, this new line, this bunch of commas, new line. That looks right. Okay, so fw.write and then sb.toString, fw.close, file.close. Did I close this? No. Okay, never mind. That's pretty much it. Save. Let's see if it breaks. Connect the utils. So it's taking a while. It's taking its sweet time. This is before I do generate levels before JFrame, so the JFrame doesn't even show up. I have no idea if it's working or not. I just know it's running. It is taking way too long to generate 20 puzzles. Oh wait. Okay, I'm pretty sure I did something wrong then. Oh, if value is equal to 0, R count plus plus. G count plus plus. Otherwise, all the puzzles would be red. B count plus plus. Anyway, did it even make any puzzles at all? Just... No, not that. This. It doesn't look like it made anything. Let's see. Save. Do I even save? System.println. Saving. It's not printing out there, so obviously it's not getting there. Oh, I should add that gc.add g. So over here, I'll do this. Create random puzzle. out the print line. Oh my god, print line already created. Skip. Invalid. Skip. Alright, print statements everywhere. They're not printing. They're not printing at all. Okay, that's why. Is this even printing? What? That printed. But it didn't even print over here, which means something has to be wrong with create random puzzle. Oh, I should remove from points.size. It's probably stuck in this while loop, right? Points.remove. Wait, what? Remove rand. Okay. Maybe that's why. Already created puzzle, skip. At least it's printing stuff out. I don't want it to print all that stuff out. Valid skip. Already skip. Create a random puzzle. I want to. What the hell? Save. System. I want to save this. System line. Save puzzle plus I. Plus 1. Okay. Doesn't seem to be saving at all. Cool. It's not saving a single puzzle. Where is it getting stuck on? Minimum number of moves? What is this? It's not even printing. What? Is it just skipping all the time? What the Oh my god, dude, what? Print G. Let's do print G. Private static void print G. I can't type. Type faster. In column 0, column is less than G0. Outline column plus plus. System out dot print G plus space. System dot print line. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh my god, what is this? What? What is it printing? What the hell? Oh, not G. G row column. That was stupid. Okay, so it's a bunch of zeros. That's obviously not right. Create random puzzle is not working. G 0 point. Maybe I should do R count plus plus here. Yeah, that makes more sense. It's still all red. I should put them over here. I don't know why I put them down here. That was stupid. Those will never run. There we go. Now I'm making a bunch of puzzles. But they don't seem to be saving, because I should be printing this out. Let's not print. Where is it? Print. Where's my print? I can't find anything. Okay, there it is. Save, come on, save something. At least one? You can't make one random puzzle with 2 minimum moves? Oh my god, dude. Let's see if this gets skipped over here. It doesn't even get there. What? Does it still get skipped over here? It's still skipping there. How does GC contain G? Boolean equals. Oh wait. This is wrong. If equals contains true, return false. Contains if gc.contains. I think I just had I don't know, my brain stopped working there. Okay, it should be fine now. Oh nice, it just created a bunch of puzzles for me, I think. Okay, let's double check. Oh sweet! Oh, I put a comma at the end. What the hell? I don't care about the comma at the end. I really don't. Let's see if these all work. I'm gonna copy and paste these. This is gonna be freaking awesome. Where's Android? Level 1? Get out of my way, bro. Paste. Nope, still level 1. What? Why? Why are you killing me like this? Because level data should be 20. Boosh. 20 random puzzles. Hopefully they are all minimum number of moves too. Let's try some of these. 1, 2. These are easy. See the next one. Oh. This looks like the right move. But it's not. Because if I do... No, I can do that. Yeah. Boom. Easy. All easy. 2 moves. Come on. There we go. No problem. Next one. That was easy. Let's do another one. 2 moves is... This is already solved! This is already solved! Oh no. Okay. So if I do get minimum number of moves, I think the first thing I should do is to check if it's finished right away. Straight up, first thing. Get minimum number of moves. If is finished, how do I do this? If check finished G return 0. What's wrong with G? G grid? That's the class variable, right? Yep. Oh my god. That was already solved. Connect me utils. Let's run it again. Another 20 random puzzles. Hopefully all of them are right or not messed up. Should refresh. 1 to 20. Copy. Paste. Yes to all. Boosh. Let's run that. Level 1. 2 moves. 1, 2. 2 moves. What? No, 1, 2. That's easy. It looks hard, but it's not. 1, 2. Oh, this is the same concept as the other one. I imagine there can't be too many different permutations of a 3x3 with 2 moves. Oh no, that's wrong. This, then that. No? What? This, then this. Boosh. This and that. Yeah, see, they're all starting to be kind of the same. This is already solved. I thought I fixed this. Are you kidding me? Grid. If check finished grid, get minimum. Oh, this is for not fast. Oops. I'm not using this method. Get minimum moves fast. There we go. Now I should not have any more problems of creating puzzles that are already solved. Refresh. Copy, paste. I'm gonna have to go through all of these puzzles, man, just to check that none of them are messed up. Okay, lightning round, 20 quick ones. 1, 2. 1, oh. 1, 2. Oh, what? 2? That one was kind of tricky. 1, 2, easy. 1, no. Oh boy, how do I, 1, 2, okay. 1, 2. They all, nope, that's wrong. 1, 2. They all seem to be fine so far. Cool. I think that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I'm just going to trust that they're fine, but I am actually going to play all of the levels later, just to make sure that all of them are actually fine. So let's go back, and I need categories. So, num puzzles, this is gonna be like 500 or something. Dude, I need to keep you guys occupied. Okay, so what do I want? I want, first off, let's make an array of points here. Data. Let's see, min moves is going to be 2. New point, or wait, like this. So, I want minimum number of moves, 20 of those. Oh wait, I need other okay. I'm gonna do data over here. New data. Minimum number of moves. 3 by 3. I want 20 of those. So that's my plan right here. Can I have to do that weird syntax again. Private class data. Public. I'll just make this all public. Min moves. Public. Numbers. Oh wait, these are ints. Int numbers, public int num columns, public int amount, public data. Int I1, int I2, int I3, int I4. I don't really care about names. Min moves is equal to I1. Num rows is equal to I2. Num calls is equal to I3. Amount is equal to I4. Boosh, new data. This is a new main dot new data. Okay. Well, why don't I just do main? main. Oh my god, I spelled main again. Main. New main. Okay, this is a main dot new data. Whatever. Wait, if I do new main, it's going to generate. No, it's not. It's not going to do that. Public main do nothing, right? It's not. Okay, I don't know what I'm thinking. New main. New data. I want next 3 minimum moves. Again, 3 by 3. This is going to be the next 50 levels of these. I'm going to do then. another 3. This time number of columns is going to be 4 and 3. I want 100 of these levels. And then 4 by 4, also 3. This is going to be 100. And finally, oh no, 4, 4, 4. Now, let's do main new data 4 for the 4 and 3. Let's do 60 of these. 60. New data, that's going to be 4 minimum move for 4 by 4. A lot of those. And 5, a lot of these. So total is 100, 200, 320, 340. Let's make these 60. So it's an even 400, right? I can do math in my head. That's 400, right? I'm not going crazy. Okay, number of puzzles, 400. Awesome. So now I need to find a way to use this. So for int I is 0, I is less than number of puzzles, I plus plus. So here, I need to put these in here. How do I do this? Int min moves is equal to, I have to know which index to use, and index is equal to 0. If I is less than the for int I is 0, for int j is 0, j is less than data data.length j plus plus int total is equal to data dot amount, data j dot amount, plus equals, I should do int total is 0 here, plus equals if if I is less than total, then index is equal to I and break. And I'm going to do here data index dot min moves, data index dot numbers, and this is data index dot num columns, and that should be it. Let me just double check that I don't mess this up by doing the standard 2, 3, 3, 20. Hopefully that works. Out of bounds exception. Okay, 1 over here. Index. Index is 1 and it shouldn't be. Data.length is 1. Data j is 0. Amount is 20. Total equals 0, so total is 20. If I is less than total, index equals I break. No, index is not equal to I. Index is equal to j. And what am I doing with I is less than total? What does that even mean? Oh wait, yeah, it's up here. Index is equal to j. Okay, so it did. I have no idea what it just did, but it took a little while. Let me refresh. Oh, it just made 400 puzzles. Because no puzzles. Oh my god, dude, 20. Okay, 1 to here. Get rid of this. Okay, 20. So refresh. Those are 20. Cool. Let's do 3 by 3. What the hell? 3 by 3 with 3 minimum moves. What is and that? Let's try running this. Okay, first off, number of puzzles, piece of crap. Num puzzles is 0. For int I is 0, I is less than data.length, I plus plus, num puzzles plus equals data I dot amount. There we go, so I don't have to keep changing it. So 80 puzzles here. Okay, I can't refresh there. Refresh this. 80 puzzles, right? Yep. Copy and paste in here. Yes to all. So the first 20 levels should be minimum number of moves of 2, and the next 60 should be 3. Let's see. So all the way up to 20. Oh my god, dude. Where is it? Where is it? Where are you at? Level data. Let's make this 80. So all the way up to 19 or 20? This is still 2. 1, 2. This is still 2, but the next one should be whoa, how do I fix this one? Oh wait, yeah, that's simple. The next one should be 3. 3, nice. Okay, let's do a bunch of 3s now. 3s are significantly more difficult than 2s, I think. Not really. Okay. Okay, maybe they are a little bit more difficult than I thought. This, oh my god, dude. This, no. This. Oh my god, dude. That's 4. How do 3? Okay, I got this. I'm gonna figure this out. 3 moves. I'm probably just blind. It's probably one of those games where somebody else just found the solution instantly, and I can't see it. I can't see it. 3 moves. 3 moves. Holy crap. 1, 2. No. 1, 2. No. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, dude. 1, 2, 3. There we go. I'm so blind. I can't. I couldn't see that. Oh wow. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That one's simple. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. So again, I'm just gonna go through all those later. Let's try the next set. I know this is going to be progressively taking way longer the more puzzles that I add. New data. Main. Can I just add the comma at the end and it doesn't have any repercussions? Hopefully. So that's 140 puzzles. Okay, let's run this. Create 140 random puzzles. As you can see, it's already taking a while. And obviously it's going to get exponentially longer for the other ones since those are more puzzles to check. Holy crap, this is taking a while. It seems to have stopped. Dude, it just stopped. What? How many puzzles did it make? Why did it just stop? 100... It made 100 puzzles. 120... 118? Made 118 puzzles. It's supposed to be 140, so it just stopped for some reason. Maybe it ran out of memory. I'm probably gonna have to do this one at a time. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Let me just copy and paste these just to see if they're all right in there. So again, over here, level 80, 81 and onwards should be 4x3s. Let's just double check. Oh, file not found, level 119. Oops, little data. Let's just make this 118 for now. So level 80, where is it? 80, here. 80 should still be 3x3 with 3. 1, 2, 3. And level 81 should be 4x3 or whatever. Oh snap, I meant 4 columns, not 4 rows. This should be number of rows is 3, number of columns is 4. Yeah, I think I should just do this one at a time, like doing this, and then, oh, I'll make the next set these, then the next set these, and so on. But then I'm gonna have to change the starting level name. So that's gonna be it for this video. It's probably, I don't know how long it's going to take to make all of these, especially this last one. 100 4x4s with 5 minimum moves is gonna be, oof, that's gonna take a while, I think. So yeah, I'll just get on that, and that's pretty much gonna be it for the game. I don't think I'm going to be making a menu. I know that sounds ridiculous, but I seriously... Okay, I'll make a menu. That's fine. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching.